What should I do with the money I earn over my summer job? Or how do I start saving for my first car? My first house? In every stage of our lives, we have different demanding financial needs, and staying on top of these needs is overwhelming, but it is definitely possible. The key? Financial literacy. Being financially literate means being able to make sound decisions based on financial knowledge. It means being able to manage the way you spend your money, and it all starts with an understanding of how finances directly impact our lives. As a university student, some things that keep me on my toes are tuition, textbook money, student fees, monthly rental, groceries, and the list goes on. So how do I manage my finances? Well, first, I keep a budget composed of discretionary and non-discretionary expenses. The non-discretionary expenses are the ones that I'm obliged to pay no matter what, like tuition. For me, with limited source of income, I limit my discretionary spendings to $20 a week, which I keep track of using an Excel spreadsheet and keeping all of my receipts and recording all of this information on my spreadsheet on a daily basis. Second, I save. Any extra money that I earn gets put aside in a tax-free savings account where I'm currently investing in mutual funds. This is an excellent way for me to earn interest on my savings, tax-free. So what are some tips for managing your own financial matters? Well, that really depends on your life stage and your financial goals. So start simple and set yourself some goals. What do you want to be able to accomplish in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years? Plan ahead for the future and be specific with your goals. For example, make it a goal to contribute a certain percentage of your monthly income to a savings account. Then commit. Assess whether you have the funds to start saving. If you have any debt, pay that back first. To manage debt levels, keep a budget and set yourself a credit limit. Always try to ensure that income is greater than spending to avoid any unnecessary debt. If you're taking out a loan, paying back that loan and any associated interest payments become part of your non-discretionary spending. Pay it back first. High interest rates can become a very dangerous game. Now, if you have some extra money left over, you may want to start saving. But before you go ahead and do so, assess the level of risk you're willing to assume. If you're a complete risk-averse investor, stick with guaranteed investment certificates or government T-bills. While they provide lower returns on your investment, they are the safest bet. Also, stay informed with the macroeconomy to see whether or not this is a good time to invest in some other securities. Or, for example, what's the employment outlook in the industry right now? Is it in a growth stage, decline stage? Keep in mind that investments will tie up your cash flow, so plan to stay flexible in case of any emergencies. And finally, never hesitate to contact your financial advisor. Work together to formulate a plan to start meeting your goals. Remember, it's never too late to start managing your finances. My name is Marco, and I am a third-year student in the Accounting and Financial Management program at the University of Waterloo. I believe I deserve to win this award because my education is dedicated to financial literacy. But aside from this, I am also a very deserving candidate because I am passionate for finance. In my spare time, I keep up to date with financial information through my subscriptions of Canadian Business and Money Sense magazines. Currently, I am also a teaching assistant for a course called Introduction to Business in North America, where one of the modules focuses on financial management of a company. I am passionate for sharing my knowledge and understand the importance and value of financial literacy. For this reason, I believe my values align closely with those of the CAAMP Foundation. In the future, I hope to be able to continue sharing my financial knowledge with other people, and certainly this award would be a very helpful kickstart to a great future.